Hello everyone and welcome back to the Perfect French with Dylan. Today, on this grammar lesson, we're gonna learn the verb faire. Faire, which means to do or to make. It's a special verb, it's a really irregular verb, so you will have to study it by heart. But, what are you not going to study by heart in French? I don't know. It's technically a verb of the third group, but we use it so much that I decided to skip, I still have to do the second group and the third group, but I wanted to make that before so you can use it because we use it all the time. So today we're just going to learn how to use it, how to conjugate it present tense, and next week we're gonna see how to actually use it because there are a lot of different expressions and different ways to use it that I'm not going to cover today because otherwise the video is going to be too long and I prefer you to study first the conjugation and then after. I'm still going to give easy sentences today with do, with to do, and to make. As usual, you can grab the PDF for this lesson right here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't and like this video, it really helps my channel. Alright, let's get started. First, we're going to review really quickly the pronoun subject. If you haven't watched it, all the video related to this video, the conjugation, pronoun subject, and everything, they're all going to be in the description box, so go check them out when you have time. For the pronoun subject, we have je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, elle. So if you're not sure why I don't pronounce the S at the end, etc., I'm gonna put also the video on pronunciation in the description box. Now the verb faire, present tense. So faire, A-I, make the sound E. Faire, faire. And it's gonna be like that for almost all of them, almost. So keep listening. Je fais, fais. We don't pronounce the S. Je fais. Tu fais. Tu fais. Same thing. We don't pronounce the S. Il fait. Il fait. Elle fait. Elle fait. On fait. On fait. So for the three here, we don't pronounce the T. So it's exactly the same. Fait, fait, fait. On fait, il fait, elle fait. This one is the most complicated of the list. Faisons. So we don't say faisons. Faisons. We say nous faisons. So three things to remember here. The first one is that the sound AI with nous is going to be E. Nous faisons. Faisons. We don't say nous faisons. Second thing to remember, the S is not pronounced S, it's pronounced Z. Z. Fais. And then we don't pronounce the last S. Faisons. Nous faisons. And then vous, vous faites. Vous faites. Faites. So here we don't pronounce the E or the S. Vous faites. And then ils font. Ils font. Elles font. Elles font. Let's review them quickly. Je fais. Tu fais. Il fait. Elle fait. On fait. Nous faisons. Vous faites. Ils font. Elles font. I hope it makes sense. We are now going to see simple sentences. Really simple, with to do and to make. All the other ones, the other expression, the way to use it in different situations, are gonna be for next week. First one, je fais le ménage. Je fais le ménage. Tu fais quoi? Tu fais quoi? Question. tu fais quoi? Numéro 3, il fait son lit. Il fait son lit. Le numéro 4, elle fait des crêpes. Elle fait des crêpes. Numéro 5, on fait le petit déjeuner. On fait le petit déjeuner. Nous faisons nos devoirs. Nous faisons nos devoirs. Vous faites un concours. Vous faites un concours. Ils font un gâteau. Ils font un gâteau. And the last one, elles font des cocktails. Elles font des cocktails. Who doesn't like cocktails? Another thing to know about the verb faire is that depending on the French-speaking country or the area where you're going, they might pronounce it fait. Je fais, tu fais, il fait. It depends. Remember that 28 countries in the world actually speaks French, so it's perfectly fine that there's a kind of different little things like that. It doesn't mean it's wrong, doesn't mean it's right, it's just different. Je fais, tu fais, il fait. This week we're gonna learn on Wednesday vocabulary about Christmas. Christmas, Christmas, Christmas. I'm not sure about Thursday actually because I haven't decided yet. I still have to do it, so it's gonna be a surprise, I guess. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, it really helped me. Leave me a comment if you have any question about French, about anything. I will do my best to answer. Don't forget that I post all those videos a week besides listening practice because I'm working on my book right now, so I don't have time. You can connect with me on my Instagram, my YouTube channel, my Facebook page. I answer every comment I get on any social media, and I will see you soon for another lesson.